Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, I want to welcome our new Finxter Freelancer student, Wilfree, to the Finxter Freelancer course. So welcome, Wilfree, to the Freelancer course. Great to have you here. I appreciate you joining, and I wish you well for your first steps as baby steps as a freelance developer. And there are so many opportunities these days to become successful in this space, freelance developing. Actually, like half of the day, I'm doing nothing else but examining different ideas, different niche ideas, how freelance developers can position themselves, how they can benefit as newcomer freelancers. So what are some opportunities and what are not, like talking to freelancer course students and so on. So I see the whole range, and the more I see, the more excited I become, because there are so many possibilities to offer value as a freelance developer, to streamline your services, and to become successful in the space. And I think if you just stay in the space, you just keep searching until you find, it is very unlikely that you will suffer as a freelance developer. But still, some people struggle as freelance developers because they maybe tried for a month or so and then they quit. And of course, if you have this mindset, it will be very hard to become successful. But if you stay on it like every day for a year or so, you will see massive results happening. So for example, look at this freelancer, what he has done. He has created on Upwork a type of gig called AI chatbot. So he basically offers a basic version of a chatbot and sells it. So he programs the chatbot, and the chatbot, it is a bit personalized to the application. For example, it feeds a chatbot with the name of the company and so on. And the basic service, it's basically a Productize service. It costs $90 for a starter. So clients buy this service for $90 to get a basic AI chatbot to talk to customers on the website. I'm sure you have seen this on your own web, if you browse the web. A lot of chatbots popping up these days. It's a big trend among website owners to actually add those chatbots to their website so that they can speak to customers. But the chatbots often are very basic, and there's a lot of library support. And actually offering this service for clients, it's very hard to see how much work, how much effort you really put in developing these chatbots. But let me tell you, if you are experienced like this guy, if you have done hundreds of those gigs, it may take you only 10-20 minutes to finish one of those gigs. And now look at the rates he offers. Like a starter package costs $90. Then he also has a standard package and an advanced package, and it basically it varies. For example, the delivery time and the number of revisions possible and so on. So I would say on average he earns maybe $150-$200 per order. And the order takes him only, say, 1 or 1.5 hours to complete, maybe. So this is my guess. And over time, of course, if you provide the same kind of services again and again, you can become very, very efficient. And I think in freelancing, these type of productized services are among the big opportunities these days, to find a niche and then productize your service this way, to find a good way that is both valuable for the client and very efficient for you. And this client, he delights his customers. I think, of course, this is the maxim that is most important, to delight your customers. If you delight your customers, no matter what you are doing, you are very likely to be successful. But he's not only delighting his customers, he's delivering the service in a very efficient format. And this means that he earns, if he gets hired, he earns maybe $200 to $400 per hour. So I think this guy makes a lot of money, well earned, well deserved money, due to the efficiency gains of productizing his services. I think these are good opportunities. It's a good niche also to join the AI chatbot niche. You can just focus on the libraries needed to develop your own chatbot, just Google it and so on. And after you have studied the basics in Python and the Python fundamentals you need to succeed, that are also part of the freelancer course and the material in the academy, which is free for you as a freelancer course student. So you get the basics, you get the fundamentals. Then you need to on top of this maybe invest a month or so diving into one niche, like for example AI chatbot development. packaging your services, and keep improving the service offering over time as you offer those gigs and get real world feedback from clients. I think this is it's a very good strategy, very good strategic approach to become very, very successful and earn very high hourly rates on the freelancing platforms. Okay, so I wish you well, Wilfree. Thanks for joining the course from Australia. I'm here for you in case you need anything, and have fun with the course, have fun with your new phase in life as a freelance developer. Bye.